Fortnite mic not working. Voice chat not working. Let's fix it. Check voice chat settings in Fortnite. Open Fortnite, click settings, click communication tab, and enable the voice chat. Then come to second step, voice chat method. It should be in open mic or else push to talk. And come to third settings, voice chat input and output device. You can set it as your device or else set it as default input and output. After setting, click apply and come to next step, allow microphone access. Click settings, click privacy and security settings, scroll down and click microphone. Make sure the microphone access and let app access your microphone. Both should be in enable mode. If it's disabled means you need to enable these two settings. After enabling, close it and come to next step. Set your microphone as default device. For this, search for run and type the following text mmsys.cpl. Click OK. In this, you need to click a record and you need to check the default device. The concerned device is in default mode or not. You need to check it. After again one more time, double click it and go to advanced settings. Here you can see the allow application to take exclusive control to the device. It should be in disable mode. If it's enabled means you need to disable it and click apply and OK. Close it and come to next step. Restart Windows Audio. For this, search for run and type the following text services.msc. Click enter. The services tab will open. In this, you need to scroll down and search for Windows Audio. Scroll down, right click it and click properties. Make sure the startup tab it should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. After completing one more time, right click and restart it. After completing all this, you need to close it and restart your device. Thank you.